There we go, just a wee walk today. We're going to be doing Ben Ann, which is quite small. We want to do it for a wee while because it is beautiful. Friends will be up there taking pictures. And the weather wasn't meant to be so cool today. So I thought I'd keep it to a low one. So this is good. So, Ben Ann. So it's only wee this one, but quite a steep wee walk to it, right from the car park. £3 at the car park. A nice couple gave us a ticket because it wasn't working, the machine, not the ticket.
Hopefully the ticket will work.
So, come back to the video and finally feel like we're getting somewhere. Because at the moment it's just like
His legs are long enough.
Climbing upstairs in the biggest ever house. Catch you soon.
Damage has been done. You said it all with one quick look at me. So live for the day, know that you're a lucky one. You can't regret the things you haven't even
Here's the dawn.
Hey.
Harvey River.
Waterfall.
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 That's what I said.
Waterfall floating.
I don't think this is going to be the longest climb we've ever done. But time will tell. And there it is, the wee one we're doing today. So not the highest, but probably one of the cutest.
Yes. I do love a pointy peak.
And you can get right on the peak as well, that's a good thing.
Yeah.
Right. Onwards and upwards, we'll follow this wee path. I was going to say and see where it leads us, but I kind of know where it leads us.
Up.
Up.
Up and away.
Yes. And when we left this morning for Arbroath, it was a bit dreich. But look at it now. The skies have cleared, so we can get a good view. We're right over to Loch Katrine. See you soon. Want a wee seat beside the burn then? Yes, you can put your feet in it. Not yet.
I brought my new travel table.
No, did you?
Yeah.
Get it in the way done.
Well, yeah, I don't feel that it's yeah, but I'm sure it will after that.
Spialoch Bininge hiket mare Tron ham mich Saor is fishing
Oh, Don's way to find a PP spot, look. So not a long climb, but certainly a steep one. No steps all the way. Oh. Black beetle. Oh, he's fell.
Oh, is it one of the beetles?
Aye, I just caught that.
Hello, beetle.
I don't know if
Shiny, aren't they?
Aye. Let's see if it's John or Ringo or...
This is the most ridiculous question, but what's the beetle that no one can remember the name? Because I literally can't.
Paul, John, Ringo and...
It's not Dave, is it?
It's called Mike.
Piping down the valleys wild, piping songs of pleasant glee. On a cloud I saw a child, and he laughing said to me, pipe a song about a lamb. So I piped with merry cheer, Piper, pipe that song again. So I piped, he wept to hear. Drop thy pipe, thy happy pipe, sing thy songs of happy cheer. So I sang.
Oh, I went up a different way. I went up the Mankey way.
The wanky way.
Mankey, no, I can't say that. I made a video.
I know that's what you said. And on second thoughts, why would you say that?
Look at a nice blue sky.
I was just thinking, look how blue that sky is.
Just think, oh, that rain this morning could have put us off coming out. Well, it wouldn't really, would it?
Nah.
Nothing does. Here she comes. Clumpity
Here
clump.
she comes to wreck the day.
That monkey. I think they'd clean it up.
I'm going to look for mountain cleaning jobs. I could do that.
In a book that all may read. So he vanished from my sight, and I plucked a hollow reed, and I made a rural pen, and I stained the water clear, and I wrote my happy songs every child may joy to hear.
The wind. Right, onwards and upwards, let's go.
I don't really understand what's even happening here.
Right, you lead the way. What's it matter? The bells! The bells!
Yeah.
Eh?
You just want to look at my contact.
I must be Esmeralda if she's Quasimodo. And the hunchback of Benan stares out over the valley, contemplating her hump. Hump! Oh, look at it filling up with air. She's scary. So Don's needing a wee rollie because he's found another good juice for her poncho.
Hey.
It's like a wee tent on legs. You can roll inside it.
And I'm kneeling on the inside of it too.
And she's got a big hunchback.
Well, it's also, you know, it's a double cover for my bag. Your bag is your life.
I'll leave her to it.